Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have some mail to share with you today. I was part of a swap on our Facebook group. The group name is Craftycraftsbydeanna Swaps and Stuff. I kept saying swaps and things, but it's swaps and stuff. So anyway, she was hosting Valentine's Day swap, and it was supposed to be like a quick turnaround swap for Valentine's, so you could get it before Valentine's Day. Anyway, you're supposed to include one card and one box of either crafty goodies or edible goodies, and you're supposed to, you know, put your touch on it and mail it to your buddy as soon as possible, because it was like a really quick turnaround. Anyway, I was partnered with Miss Dina. Hi, Dina. So I received my box last night, but I'm just now getting a chance. Getting a chance to open my box. I got it last night, like I said, so I just cut the tape open, but look at what she did. I'm sorry for the squealing, but look at this adorable box. This is too cute. Okay, I'm gonna move the box. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it is so adorable. This beautiful box Miss Dina put together for us. And I'm just going to slide this bow off of here because it's so cute. Why mess up a good thing, right? I love this box. Oh my god. Okay, let's see. So I hope you guys go check her out here on YouTube and on Facebook. Her YouTube channel name is Craftycraftsbydeanna. And she's not feeling the best right now, guys. She's under the weather, but please go over and check her out and give her some get well wishes and stuff, because oh, look at this box. I'm so horrible. Look at this, it's so pretty. What in the world? Look, oh, I see glitter hearts. It's so pretty. Oh, that is an adorable little container. I love that. Too cute. What is this? Ooh. Ooh, candy cupcake gumballs. Oh my goodness. Okay, Dina. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love gum. I love gum. I have gum in my car, like 3, sometimes 4 containers of gum at a time. Oh my god, look at this pretty shred. And she got some hearts going in here. Look at this. So pretty. I'm gonna put you in my lid right there. Look at that. Oh, this must be her card. So pretty. Oh, let me pop this thing out of my Cricut because it's beeping at me. Oh, and it's got some shaky shake stuff. Look at this. Oh, too cute. Oh yes, I love it. Oh, that is so cute. How do we open this? Okay. Oh, and she put a little note. Hi Eileen, thanks bunches for being my swap partner. Enjoy your goodies. Big hugs, Dina. It's so pretty. Look at that. The little banners. It says love, 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 love. It's so pretty. Oh, I love that. Oh, ooh. This is a heart with like cut strips of paper. Oh, so smart. Look at that. Oh, yes, I love that. And these pretty little enamel hearts. This is another one. Yeah, the cut strips of paper. So cute. I love that. It says, "You're too sweet. Happy Valentine's Day." Oh, that's a pretty card. I'm going to put you right there so we can see you. See what's in the card. There we go. And then she has, oh, look at that. Cute stuff. Of course. Cute, cute, cute. Cute little shades. And what is this? Ooh, cool. Ooh, nice. Oh, that is so cool. All right. I'm going to put Miss Dina's name on here somewhere that it came from her. It's a little wall plaque. That is so cute. Look at that with the glasses. Too cute, Dina. I love it. Look at all the red and white shreds. Oh, it's so fun. I love this. This is too cool. What is this? Okay, she got some pink and white twine here. Let's see what she put in this little package. I love this paper. Look at this. What is this? She made me a book. She made me a book. You are one cool chick. Aww. You are one cool chick, Miss Dina. This is super cute. I love that she uses these things. These, somebody help me out in the comments. The binder thing, the spiral bound thing. I want one of those. I would love to make me some books for my kitties. Not kits, but kitties, but my children. Anyway, let's get into this adorable book. Look at that. Oh, there's the hearts that she put on the front and on the card. The little enamel hearts. And they're glittery. Super cute. And what is it? Oh, this is a pocket. Ooh, I never found these. I never got a chance to pick these up. I think this is the Target pockets. Look at that. She added the ephemera. Oh, thank you, Dina. I love it. Oh my goodness. What is this? What is this? Oh, it's a pocket. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Turn your volumes down, guys, because this is ridiculous. These are so cute. Look at this. I love us. Look at this champagne bottle and a cupcake. Too cute. Whoops. Whoops. These are so pretty. Oh, so cute. I love this idea. Ooh, pocket, pocket. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Nice. Oh, I can decorate these with photos. Yes. Oh, this is another pocket. And she's got goodies in this too. Pink doilies. Thank you, Dina. Look at this. Oh my God. Yes, girl. Yes. Thank you so much. This is so cute. I love this. And definitely going to put some pictures in here. There's more goodies. I think every page is a goodie. Oh my God. Look at this. This is from Hobby Lobby. And it's the Valentine. Oh my goodness. I didn't get to pick this up. This is by Paper Crafts. No, not Paper Crafts. Anyway, Paper Studio, I think. Yeah, because it's the Hobby Lobby. Look at these gorgeous flowers. Oh, there's even teeny tiny ones. Oh, I love that. Thank you, Dina. Oh my God. This is a book of love. For reals. I love this. This is so much, Dina. Oh my gosh. A whole pack of tags and twine. Like matching twine. Oh my gosh. This is not like the regular like Dollar Tree twine. This is like the really pretty twine. Oh my God. Can you guys see that? These are so pretty. She had to die cut these. Did she die cut every one of these? These are like different shades of pinks, guys. And red. Look at that deep red. Oh, I love that, Dina. Thank you. Oh my goodness. I'm scared to... Oh, I'm trying not to ruin it. Ah! I love this envelope paper too. This is super pretty. All right. Love this. Oh my gosh. I can just see all kinds of photos on here. What is in here? Oh, little coin pouches. These are too cute. I love using these for put goodies in. and then you just decorate it the way you want. Oh, thank you, Dina. Thank you so much. I love using these. Oh my gosh. Girl, this is a lot. I didn't give, oh my gosh. This is what I don't like. It's not giving you enough. It's so pretty. And I'm so crazy. Why am I doing this on top of the box all crazy like? But anyway, we're almost done. Oh, they're journaling cards. So cute. Oh, I like that one. I do love this one. I love chocolate strawberries, by the way, for your FYIs. You've won my heart. So pretty, Dina. Thank you so much. This is a great swap. I love this book. For reals, for reals. Oh my gosh. And you guys, she just bound all these cardstocks and made a really sturdy, good book. Like, I love this. And I love the touch of ribbon that you have here. So cute. Oh my goodness. You're one cool chick. No, girl, you are one cool chick. What the heck, lady? She just gave me a whole pad of freaking paper. Ridiculous. But look at this thing. This is vintage Valentine from, this is the Hobby Lobby collection. This is so pretty. 6x6 papers. Should we look at it? I think we should look at it. Yes. I say yes. The sticker. I don't know why I'm whispering, but this is so cute. I cannot get into this paper bag fast enough. Oh my goodness. Vintage pretty pinks. Oh, love that. Oh yeah, let's do this. Can I do a flip through? Oh, maybe not. Oh, this is so pretty. I love it already. All the doilies. I think I'm just so old fashioned. Look at that pretty pinks. Oh my gosh. And I think you get 3. Yep, 3 of each. 3 of each design. Polka dots. Oh my gosh, they're the words. Yes. Hot air balloons. Some stripes. This is pretty stripes. Oh, it's so cute, Dina. I could see it using for other holidays too, but so pretty. Yay, Valentine's Day. Let me open this cup because I think that's it, right? Lord have mercy. This is gorgeous. I love all these hearts. Oh my goodness. There's so much in here. It's so pretty. Thank you, Dina. And then she sent this little container. It's the last one. Oh my God. That's so fun. Look at this thing. It's a cup of goodies. Oh, it's so fun. This is so cool, Dina. Thank you. You are the coolest. You guys are missing out. Miss Dina, she hosts some pretty cool swaps. And the one swap that was going around the wintertime that I didn't get a chance to join was the snowball fight she hosted. It was after Christmas and I just missed it to get into it. And there's so many ladies on there just, you know, swapping snowball fights. It's so cool and some great ideas for snowball fights. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you need to go check out Miss Dina's channel, Crafty Crafts by Dina, and check out her Facebook group because that's the group that I'm in and do these awesome swaps. And that is Crafty Crafts by Dina, Swaps and Stuff. Please go check her out. Let her know I sent you and give her a big thumbs up and a big hug because Miss Thing is not feeling the best right now. And, you know, the only way we could give her any kind of love is by virtual hugs. So, but thank you. I'm so sorry I'm laughing. It's just, I'm so giddy with this whole swap. It's so adorable. I love it. I love it. Thank you so much, Dina. I can't say it enough. So please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. Please join our family. Hit the notification bell so you can get alerts every time I load a new video. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you all. Bye.